My bird is really angry right now. Okay, I gotta...
But I wanted to tell you guys about this thing we're being a part of. And make sure you check out He did a funny prank. He's also another YouTuber. Click on it. He's prank. Looks like some kids scratching. I know. It's pretty fun. Check it out.
What's the matter? Huh? What's wrong? What's wrong? You screaming to yourself? What's the matter? Huh? What's wrong? What's the matter? So what he wanted? What did he want it? He wanted some attention. Yeah? That's what you wanted? Oh, look. You looking at yourself? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, look at those pretty... Look at those pretty eyes. Yeah? Are you scared? Oh, we're black. Okay. Bye, lighting. Oh, there you go. You can see it's red now. So that's what he wanted. He wanted some attention. Yep. He was screaming so hard. And then he's really, really, really pissed off. Right? Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Ah. This is so pretty. Yeah. Right, bye. Also, before I go, I did this. If you can see it, is Shane Dawson. The thing that I got from Valentine's, and the autograph that I got when I was in VidCon. Yeah, so I did that little thing, and that was from the newspaper last year on New York Times, and he signed it there at VidCon, and I want to put some pictures because it looks so and yeah, I want to put some more pictures on it. I think I'm gonna put the pictures that I took with him. I took like 3 of them in VidCon. I think so. And I want to show you guys before I go. And I was looking on the wrong side. Fail. So yeah. Alright. Now